Making videos like Isaac is easier than you think. In fact, all the graphics you are seeing in this video can be made using a free tool that I am about to share in this video. Let's get started. The tool I am talking about is called Auto AE. And this tool contains 60+ Isaac-style animations which you can customize as per you need. You can access this tool using the first link down below in the video description. Have a look at all these motion graphics and animation templates. These are fully customizable. You can simply play these graphics and then choose the one that you like. For example, this one is looking good. So I will simply click on it and then click on Customize button. Next, I have to sign up for this tool. Once it's done, I will be taken to the editor. Here, I only need to add these 4 texts, and then the tool will automatically create the animation for me. Simple, right? So, I will enter the text here and then click on the preview button. And as you can see, my animation is ready. Next, if I click on this button, it will generate the animation for me. Once it's done, you'll get this download option. You can either download it for free, or you can choose a paid plan to download it. I will download it for free for now. The free option contains a watermark of the background. Since I am on the free plan, I can generate only 5 animations like these. Okay, now I will simply play this animation for you. As you can see, it has created a cool animation for me in just a few seconds. Of course, it contains a watermark at the background which is troubling. To remove the watermark, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. If you go to the pricing plan of this tool, you'll see 3 different options. I personally recommend the Pro plan as it is the best plan and gives you 100 downloads per month. So one animation will cost you less than 10 cents. We also have this coupon code which will provide you a flat 50% discount on your yearly plan. If you only need 1 or 2 animation for a project, you can choose this one-time purchase plan. It normally costs around $3, but I have a coupon code which will let you download the animation for just $1. This is a super helpful tool for those looking to generate quick animation but don't know about Premiere Pro or After Effects. The links and coupon codes are given in the video description, so make sure to use them to get extra discount. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like these. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.